Hey you guys, I decided to go ahead and make a video. I haven't made a video in a long time and I normally don't show my face in videos. There's no particular reason why, but we're doing my jewelry. This is my necklace, 2 crystals, tourmaline and clear quartz that I normally wear every day, and I'm just going to redo this necklace, rewrap this crystal, and then kind of add a few more and make it like a whole, I guess possibly choker with like 4 different stones connected. So this is the process. So right here we have my 2 crystals. These are the ones that I normally wear every day, and my necklace. This is one necklace that I took off for this crystal, which is a peacock crystal, and the other one I had to cut off. It just wouldn't come off. So I had that, and then I cut this piece of cord that I've had for many years, and also had wrapped copper around my jade crystal. So this is now out of the copper, which are 2 different colors now because it's so old, and I will no longer be using this cord. So I kind of made like a rinky-dink, if you could tell. So I just wrapped, because I have it on here too. I didn't have anything to use that was this small, so this is from my little keychain hook, and I just wrapped it around here. And I'm gonna take this one off now, if it will come off. And then I'll just cut these into little rings, which will make probably about 4, since I have 2. It might not cut off. Okay. So I will actually just clip it now instead of clipping it later. Now the rings should come off. Okay, so these are the rings. And I'm just going to use these to connect the stones together. Or I guess this will be the end of my necklace. I'm still contemplating whether or not I actually want to rewrap this or not, because I don't really care that it's kind of tarnished or not fully copper anymore. If I do decide to, I might just do it later. But I definitely have to rewrap this because the copper on that was definitely not a good color. And I had to cut it to take it out, so I have to rewrap it. So for now, I think I wanted to do it in this order, and then I thought about maybe doing it in this order. I think I like this order better, since it's more like somewhat color coordinated. I'm using this washcloth just so like whatever pieces that I do cut or clip with the wire cutter, I can just pick up and clean them up later. If you're wondering what this is, this was me trying to clean off this old copper wire. And I did this like at least a couple of months ago, and that's what was left on there. But yeah, so ignore all that. And I am going to use this wire and rewrap my jade stone real quick. I'm interested to see how this video will come out, because I'm just making it like a vlog at this point. I don't plan on editing anything, even if my vocabulary or anything sounds weird. If I'm stuttering, I don't plan on editing anything. I've been watching a lot of vlogs on YouTube and decided that I need to make more videos and at least record stuff that I do on a daily basis. Like, why not record me rewrapping my jewelry? Even though I have no idea what I really want to do with this, I'm just going to play around with it. And I'm not making this specifically for anybody, so if it comes out weird, it just comes out weird. I don't mind. Don't mind at all. Okay. Normally I wear rings every day, and I decided to take my rings off because using these, I definitely need more grip, and I would not be able to grip these as well if I didn't have, if I did have rings on. Yeah. So what I may do now, I just tighten this. Tighten it, and then I'll also make like a little wavy design. Maybe I shouldn't have greased up my hands before I did this, because this stone is just slipping everywhere. Let's see. I don't really have a set way of how I wrap crystals or stones. I just try to wrap it to make sure that the wire stays on. That's the main goal for me. I don't really have like a aesthetic type of way that I try to wrap them. I do obviously like the look of keeping it minimal. Like, I don't want to wrap the whole entire stone and have a bunch of wire and you not be able to tell what kind of stone it is or crystal it is.
Right now I'm just wrapping this to wrap it. And I might just go ahead and clip this. Or, yeah, I think I might clip it. And then now, this might not even go through there now.
Sort of working, sort of not. So I don't think the wire will move much now. That's all that I was really looking for, was to wrap it and make sure that it doesn't move. Like, even here, this is wrapped pretty tight. Like, I can pull on this and it's not going to move too much. Where if I put it on, it's not going to completely fall out of the wire. That's what you want. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to take the circle, you can't even see it, the circle links that I made, and I'm just going to attach those to the ends of the crystals, because these two are the ones that I wore every day, and they already have a piece that's connected in between them, because they just dangle like this. They're already connected. So I'm just going to add a link to the bottom of here, somewhere, anywhere, and then wait, yeah, I was going to connect the wrong ones. So which end do I want to connect? Just enough so I could slip the wire in, just like that. Yep. So now these two are together, which makes all three of these together. And then now I'm going to add a link from here to here. And then I'll just put all 3 of these stones. Well, I keep saying 3. There's 4, obviously. That'll make all 4 of these stones connect together. But what I'm going to do first is clip a little bit off of this link. So since I didn't rewrap this end with the clear quartz, I'm just going to leave this part like this so I could easily put, I'm just going to use this as a reference, even though I cut it. I can easily loop like a piece of necklace through here. So if I did do this, I guess I might have to tie one end, because I kind of want to make it like a choker, but not like super duper short. So this part will be at the base of my neck. Yeah. So this will be a hole for one side of the necklace, and then I would just probably, because I already have this made, but I don't think I made it with the same wire. I think I made it with the wire that is copper plated and not the actual copper wire. So all I would have to do is really just do like the other side, and I could easily make this that way. I can just put any kind of cord. I could put a chain through there. I should just take this off for now. So this is my final necklace. I like it very short, like a choker type of necklace, but I also made it so that I can adjust it and make it longer if I want to. And I did that by making knots on the side. So all I have to do is pull this string, and it will just make the necklace shorter. And then I'll just pull the other side. I pulled it all the way down so I could fit my head through to try it on. But so you can see, I'm just pulling the string, and that made the necklace smaller. And then to make it wider again, you just pull on the knots and make it longer. And what I did, so I could know how short I wanted it, so it could stay at that length for the choker length, I just measured the string around my neck. So I don't actually know how long the cord is, but if I was to make this for someone for a gift, I could just easily measure the entire string that I used, including the parts that I wrapped for the knots. And then that way I will know how long to make it for someone else. This is the final piece.